How to fix can't make Instagram account private. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you go to make your account private on Instagram, but it says creator accounts can't be private. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to fix this, but in order to have our account private on Instagram, we have to have a personal account. So if you have a professional account or a creator account, you won't be able to make your account private. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is go to our profile on Instagram. And in order to make our account a personal account, all we need to do is select the three lines in the top right, then select settings and privacy, and then scroll down just a little bit and you'll see for professionals and select creator tools and controls. Now all we need to do is scroll all the way down and select switch account type, and then just select switch to personal account. Now, when you switch to a personal account, you will lose some insights, including on promotions or things you're running on Instagram. And if you currently have a Meta verified subscription, that will be canceled. So if you're okay with that, select switch to personal account, give it a second or two, and it'll bring you back to the main page of the settings. Once we're on the main page of the settings, now we can just go down to who can see your content, select account privacy, and now we can turn on private account and then select switch to private. So now we've made our account private on Instagram. All right, so that's how you fix can't make Instagram account private. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.